Welcome to Toolsmet. If you're looking for a powerful, smooth, and reliable wood-turning lathe machine, this model might be exactly what you need, because today I'm giving you a complete hands-on review based on real-world performance, build quality, user experience, and overall value. Starting with the construction, the machine is built with a heavy-duty cast iron body that keeps it incredibly stable even during high-speed turning, reducing vibration and giving you a clean and controlled working environment. The components feel premium, the finishing is solid, and the overall build gives confidence that this machine is made to last. Moving to the motor performance, it features a strong and consistent power delivery that maintains torque even when shaping harder wood pieces. The variable speed control works smoothly, allowing you to shift from slow detail carving to high-speed smoothing without any lag. In real-world use, the spindle rotation is steady. There's very little wobble and the tailstock locks firmly in place, making the entire turning process precise and effortless. Whether you're making table legs, bowls, handles, or decorative pieces, the machine handles everything with ease. The tool rest is easy to adjust, setup is quick, and the machine remains surprisingly quiet compared to many other lathes in this range. One of the biggest advantages is the low vibration operation, which not only improves accuracy but also makes long working sessions more comfortable. Even after extended use, the machine remains stable and performs without overheating or losing strength. For beginners, hobbyists, and professionals, this lathe offers excellent control and smooth finishing without requiring too much skill or adjustment. Overall, this wood-turning lathe machine provides outstanding value for money with its strong motor, rigid build, easy speed adjustment, and premium-level turning performance. If you're planning to buy a reliable and high-performing lathe for your workshop, this is definitely a machine worth considering.
And when it comes to long-term reliability, this lathe machine continues to impress because the internal components are engineered for durability, ensuring consistent performance even after months of heavy use. The belt system runs smoothly, the bearings feel tight and responsive, and maintenance is minimal, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals who want a dependable tool without the need for frequent adjustments. Another strong point is its safety-focused design. Everything from the stable base to the precise locking mechanisms helps reduce the chances of slipping or tool vibration, giving you a safer turning experience overall.